Good morning, everybody. I just come back to Santa Clarita, waiting for the inspector. I just want to how is the roof look like after we replace. That is a Sierra Gray. Here I had new fascial, it was bad. Here's the Oregon Classic ventilation, low profile, straight line. All the pipe are painted. Here's a cricket on the chimney. So when the water that will flash to here will go on both sides and away from the chimney. So again, if you guys want, I cannot say affordable, but we are affordable company compared to other with quality work and personal touch. Give us a call, Perfect Roofing.